How to add multiple audio on Instagram Reels. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can add multiple audio in one singular Instagram Reel. So without any delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to add multiple audio in Instagram Reels, first of all, we need to create a reel. For that, you may just tap on this plus icon at the bottom or just swipe to left. I'm just gonna swipe to left and select the video. Here, you may just record a video. You can see this reel section, just switch to reel first and record a video at that moment, or just select a video from your draft or your gallery. After you're done selecting your video, what you're gonna do is simply tap on this audio section and select the audio that you want. I'm gonna select this one right here. But unfortunately, Instagram doesn't have that feature where you can add multiple audio at the time. Maybe in the future, Instagram will make that feature available on Instagram, but at this moment, we don't have that feature. But what we can do instead is just tag this video to one of the video editing app like CapCut and VN Video Editor. After that, just split the video into half and record different songs for each part of the videos, or add different songs to each part of the videos. After that, just get back to Instagram and select the video and just tap on next. After that, just post that video on your Instagram. Just tap on share and that video should be shared on your Instagram very easily. So therefore, just follow this method and you should be able to add multiple audio in one Instagram reel. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.